Hi, it's Laura Lynn from teddybearacademy.net, where you can take online teddy bear making classes from the comfort of your own home. In this week's free video, I'm going to show you another one of the tools that I use for making teddy bears. Now, this tool is not necessary for making teddy bears, but it sure is nice to have. Traditionally, when you are matching up your teddy bear pieces, getting ready to sew them together, you usually use pins to hold them in place. Now, I've sped up that video because it was taking me a while to do it. I don't like using pins. They take longer. For me, the fabric shifts when I'm trying to pin them together, and I will often make teddy bears from fur coats as memory bears for people, and I don't like adding extra holes to the back of the leather. So what I use instead of pins are alligator clips. Let me show you how much easier these are to use. I like how it stays nice and flat. You see how this one is kind of wonky. And it's much easier, in my opinion, to sew with alligator clips over pins. These can be hard to find in your local store. You can find them in electronics stores sometimes. But if you cannot find them locally, you can do a Google search. Just search for alligator clips. I also have a link below in the description to where you can buy them on eBay. Now, there are a bunch of different types of alligator clips or alligator clamps. Let me show a close-up of the type that I like to use. Let's see here. I hope you enjoyed this bear making tip, and we'll see you next week. Get your free ebook, How to Make Teddy Bears, which includes 7 different patterns, when you visit the website listed below.